Samsung just broke ground with some new technology with their quantum OLED displays. That's 360 Hz 4K OLED.
Honestly, I was kind of amazed. The display looks beautiful. We got a first look at it, and honestly, yeah, it's a beautiful display. It's got the new Penta Tandem technology. That's basically 5 layers now, emitting layers. And basically the main thing for that is that you're gonna have 5 layers. It's gonna be more efficiency and a longer lifespan, which that's pretty cool.
Yeah, dude, and this new display they have, that's 24 million pixels in a 31.5 inch display. What?
Yeah, honestly, I don't know. It was beautiful. I mean, out of all the displays we've seen here at the show so far, it definitely was up there for me. When you're looking at the overall quality, that's really the main thing I saw there was the visual just was great overall.
I think Samsung's just showing off at this point. Yeah, they mentioned that this new display hits up to 600 nits of brightness, still having true black. And you can really see it, especially when you compare it with a LCD display right next to it. You'll notice that we used to have this issue where the brights look too bright when it's an OLED. Yeah. It's more so because the blacks are really black and deep. And what they now did, and we'll show a little clip now as well, where they have an LCD right next to an OLED with the exact same brightness, but it looks so much better on that OLED display.
Yeah, it's not only just smoother, but the overall image is just, I think the best representation was really also seeing the variation of like viewing angles was a big thing that we saw, right? The comparison between the LCD viewing angles and the QD-OLED. Huge deal. Honestly, you were anywhere outside of maybe 10-20 degrees of like normal viewing angle on the LCD, and it looked terrible in comparison to the OLED. Honestly, I couldn't do it.
And I mean, we're looking for those crisp colors. We want to be able to read the text properly. We're in a office environment sometimes. I don't know why you'd buy an OLED for an office, though. That's a lot of money to spend for an office job. But if you do that...
If the company gives you budget.
Exactly, if the company gives you budget.
Who cares, right?
I think the nicest thing about the OLED is the viewing angles when a whole group of people are standing together so that you can actually show off, hey, look at this video I just produced for We Do Tech or Matt Computer Services, which you should subscribe to, by the way. What a segment, right? I broke my whole train of thought now. I hate self-promoting. I don't. Please subscribe. Oh, they actually have that other laptop here as well.
Okay, yeah, that was pretty cool. Let's go check it out. Come on.
So here's what we do. I take this off, you grab, we go.
I think that's a good idea because honestly, if you've seen the display there, it's probably pretty light. The thing is tiny, so definitely one of the most impressive displays out there. I mean, have you ever seen something so small?
No, dude. Have I seen something so small? Let me tell you something. This is a 0.8 millimeter display. Usually we work with a 1.1 millimeter display. You see me check out for them to confirm whether it's really 1.1 millimeters down to 0.8. Has to be factual. And this is really actually something interesting because what we're always fighting for is thinner displays, lighter laptops, but we still want that OLED goodness inside of it. This is actually really cool, especially for people aiming to get those laptops as light as possible. Perhaps the rumors are true. Perhaps Apple might be bringing that OLED panel from somewhere.
That might just be the case. I mean, we've seen some stuff.
That's coming. That's gonna be really cool. I mean, I really do hope. I actually hope it's gonna be a touch panel as well, but I don't know.
I don't think that's gonna happen, but I do think OLED from Samsung is going to be probably transitioned into the latest version of the MacBooks, which would be pretty cool, and it's gonna have the best color, best accuracy that you just really couldn't meet before.
Well, there you have it. Samsung or Apple, probably both. Just a little inside info I just got. This isn't even the full spec of it yet. They're still working with selected partners to bring out a little bit more with this panel, which is going to be something really interesting to have a look at. I think what is exciting though is you will get to see it in the final product. So the technology existed, but when we're getting it as consumers, we don't quite know yet. Sometime next year, hopefully. Okay. Nice. This was Stefan
and Matt
from Computex 2026 here in Taiwan, reporting on all of the newest tech. I hope you're enjoying the videos thus far. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.
See you later.